In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book flight tickets online using booking.com. Whether you're planning a spontaneous getaway or organizing a long-anticipated vacation, online booking offers the convenience of securing your travel plans with just a few clicks. Let's dive right into the process and make it as simple as possible. Start by logging into your booking.com account. If you're not yet registered, I highly recommend setting up an account to make your booking process smoother, as it allows you to save your preferences and access exclusive deals. Once you're on your account dashboard, look for the Flights option, which is typically featured prominently, designed to guide you through your travel arrangements seamlessly. Clicking on Flights will open a new search interface. Here, you need to enter your departure city, that's where your journey begins, and your destination city, where you're headed. Carefully filling in these locations ensures that you find flights that best suit your itinerary. Next, you'll want to set your travel dates. Booking in advance can often get you the best fares, but sometimes last-minute deals can pop up too. Don't forget to specify the number of travelers in your party. This is crucial as prices and availability can change based on the group size. Another essential choice you'll need to make is the type of trip you're planning. Booking.com provides options for round trips, one-way journeys, and even multi-city adventures. You can select your cabin preference, such as economy, premium economy, business, or first class, tailored to your comfort and budget. If you prefer a streamlined route, you might want to opt for direct flights only, which offers a quicker, hassle-free journey. Once you've set all your preferences, click the Search button. This will generate a list of available flights matching your criteria. At this stage, take your time to review the options, comparing not only the prices but also the departure and arrival times, as these can vary greatly. When you find a flight that meets your needs, click on Details or View Details to see more specifics about your flight. After reviewing, hit the Continue button. You'll then be prompted to choose your ticket type, which might include options like refundable tickets or additional luggage allowances. It's here that you'll confirm all the choices you've made and proceed to finalize your booking. And that's it. You've successfully booked a flight online via booking.com. If you found this guide helpful in simplifying the flight booking process, feel free to like, comment with any questions or tips of your own, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Thanks for watching and happy travels.